Such a beautiful morning. Hi friends, welcome back. I have a haul for y'all. I ordered these items from Soto Studios. I have seen them advertising on Instagram and Facebook, and I got kind of curious. So I ordered a few things. So I thought maybe you'd like to see an unboxing with me. I'm so excited. It took a couple of weeks to get here. I think it came from China, if I'm not mistaken. So let's see what I got. I thought this was really cute. It came in 2 boxes. So here is the little sticker. Isn't that cute? It says, "This package is happy to see you too." Absolutely. I was really happy to see it because I did not realize it was going to take that long, which is fine. No big deal. So let's see what we got in this first box. So this is what it looks like. Okay, this must be my invoice. It came with a little card. I guess there's some kind of rewards you get for every card that you receive. That's interesting. Huh. I'll have to read it some more. Okay, let's see what I got. That's pretty packaging. Oh, I like the paper. I'm actually going to keep that paper. Could use that for junk journaling or yeah, mixed media. I'm going to keep the paper. It's pretty. I like it. I'm going to use it for something later. I've got another project I'm working on, so I may show you that. Isn't that pretty? I don't know if you can see it. Isn't that pretty? I wonder if the lighting is affecting it. I hope it's okay at the lighting. It's just because I have the window open. I was hoping we had better light. Here we go. This is so cute. Oh, I got a free gift. Oh my gosh, isn't that sweet? They got a doily and they made it into a little bag, and that's sweet, the sweetest thing. So what did I get? Oh, those are cute. Oh my gosh, isn't that pretty? It's almost like watercolor. Huh, I'm curious. Is that like, is it tape? Washi tape, right? Yeah, it's like a washi tape. I was gonna try to, I think it's clear. Oh, we'll do that later. But yeah, isn't that pretty? This one's pretty. I could do like little samples. That's pretty too. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, that's cute. A little label looking thing. I guess this is like scraps of paper, I guess. It's almost like vellum. I think it's vellum. I don't know what that is, but we'll see. Oh, and a little Alice in Wonderland card. Oh, here's some more. These are like little samples of their papers. It's interesting. It's paper, but it's not cardstock, but it sure is pretty thick. This must be their Alice in Wonderland series. That is so sweet that they sent me a little free gift. That's really nice to play with. I ordered these scissors. I guess they're embroidery scissors, but I just thought they were so cute. Aren't they pretty? I watched some people journaling and putting things in their journals, and they use these little pretty scissors. I don't know how comfortable they are. We'll see. Let's see what else. Oh, this is I was trying to figure out what that was. I don't know if you can see it or not. Maybe I should close the blinds. Hold on. Okay, I'm hoping this will be easier to see. But that is actually a wax seal. You attach it to the little, I forget what it's called, handle, and then you screw it on there, as you can tell. And then that's a wax seal. It's a flower. That was pretty. Oh, that's cute. A little bag. That was nice. And then this is a washi tape. So it's supposed to be like handwriting. So that's gonna be pretty. Open those up. There's more. This is more. I guess oh, that's pretty cool. They wrap the washi tape in this. Yeah, see where they sell this. They sell that on their website. You can put it on your mixed media, that kind of thing. That's nice. Here's one of the tapes that I ordered. Oh, that's so cute. You can see. Let me put something behind it. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. I love that. I ordered some things. These are PET tape. I don't know if they call it PET tape, PET tape, because I was curious about it. I didn't have any, and I wanted to see how it worked. So, oh, that's cute. That's a bookshop. What you can do is order, instead of ordering a whole roll of washi tape or PET tape, and then you don't know if you really want to use the rest of it, you can just purchase for a less amount, just one strip, and it contains all the, one of each of the items that's on there. So this is what I did with these. These are just kind of, I guess they're like sample sizes, because I wanted to figure out if I liked them, and I like things that are that have like bookshops or bookstores or cafes, because I just really like bookstores and cafes. I always have. I loved when we used to have more like we still have one Barnes and Nobles around here, but I liked it when we had bookstores, and you could go to a bookstore, get a coffee, look at the books and the magazines and things, and can't really do much of that anymore. They closed a lot of them. Let's see. So that was cute. I like that. Let's see, I got another one. That's cute. This is called, I guess these are the names of the types they are. This one is bookstore. I guess the other one was, that we just looked at, was reading moment. This one's called bookstore. So let's take a look at that one. I love the way they wrapped all these. So cute. And I like that they give you little samples of their other products. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, these are more, oh, I like that. You can see that. Oh, these are nice. Can't really, I was going to cut one, but that's okay. I really like that one. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I like that too. Oh, I love that. I like a bookstore. Oh, those are so cute. A desk. That is adorable. Whoever the artists are for these are just they're doing such a fantastic job. It's cute. Oh, I love that desk. So beautiful. Just love these. I'll put them back together later, so the video won't be so long. Let's see, this one is Reading Retreat. That's cute. I wonder what they wrapped this one in. Oh, some kind of, I don't know what that is. Oh, it's some kind of just material. It's clear. I don't know what you call it, but it's pretty. Let's look at these. Oh, those are so pretty. Aren't those pretty? If you can see those. Just like different scenes. Oh, these would be so pretty in a journal. Those are absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, they're so pretty. Wouldn't you want to be there? Wouldn't you want to be sitting in one of those chairs reading a book? Having a cup of tea? Be around loved ones and having a nice conversation with a friend. Oh, so beautiful. Can't wait to use these. Let's see what this is. This is Coffee House. Let's see. They wrapped this one in some kind of, oh, that's pretty. I don't know if you can see it. It's got like a little bit of a purple, light purple shimmer. It's pretty. Oh, this is so cute. Coffee house. Oh, look at that. That is so cute. Little croissants. Cup of coffee. Oh, it's a little counter. Oh, that's pretty. Isn't that pretty? Oh, that's so cute too. Those are beautiful. They did a great job on these too. The designs are so pretty. Look at that. Look at the detail. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, can't wait to play with these. And then I got Writing Bliss. These are the stickers. Let me get a second to get them. Here's my little plate. So let's look at some of these. I want to use it because I just don't want these stickers to go all over the place, you know. Oh, wow. Those are so cute. Look at that typewriter. I don't know if you can see it very well. Yeah, hold on a second. Sorry about that. Let's look at these again. I did not realize I had the television going. So, here. These are so adorable. Look at that one. I don't know how clear you can see them. They're just so cute. Yeah, they're just so cute. Oh, there's a different girl there. In here. Oh, there's like a little bedroom with full books on the floor. Huh. These are adorable. Oh, that's so sweet. These are so cute. Can't wait to use these. So these are called Writing Bliss. Those are so cute. Oh, I don't know if you saw that one. Okay, let's see. These are Reading Corner. I guess you're seeing a theme here. Bookshops, coffee shops, books. Yeah. I think these are kind of all similar. If you can see, I think they're all kind of similar, so I'm not going to go through each one of them. But yeah, they're just kind of books, but they're more like brighter colors. Those are pretty. I like, as you know, say it all the time, I like springy colors and flowers and books and coffee shops. Let's see what else we got here. These are Garden Moments. Let's take a look. These. Again, let's see what we have here. Just little pictures of like the garden and books. Of course, there's a theme there of books. Someone reading. So yeah, those are just really pretty. Oh, those are steps. Those are pretty. Those are pretty, aren't they? Those are really cute. So those are nice. And then the second one is called Classic Book. Let's see. So these, just books, yeah, just more books. A library. Just some more book items. Those are pretty. That's a pretty one. I like the colors on this. Even though they're more muted. They're colorful, but they're muted. See how they're kind of, they're rich. I like the colors on these as well. The other one was pretty too, but it was more bright colors. This is, it has color, but it's muted. Okay, let's see. What's this one? Book one. Retreat. See, like this one is a little bit brighter. Same thing, kind of, these are brighter colors, more purples in there, more springy colors. Oh, those are cute, aren't they? Yeah, just gonna give you a sample view of them. Oh, that one's pretty. Look at that one. Those are pretty. Yeah, I really like those. This one is Victoria Academy. I don't remember these. Let's see. Oh, that's cute. Another library. Oh, there's like an older gentleman reading. Lady. That's pretty. Books, of course, books. Another one of the gentlemen. A lamp. And a library. Those are pretty. I wonder if you can see that or not. Okay. Let's see what else we got. They may be all the stickers, I think. And then fantasy windows. Oh, these are those windows. Oh, that's pretty. The packaging, that's vellum. Don't get rid of the packaging. You can use that for something else. Oh, beautiful. So these are windows. These are kind of... Oh, how cool, you can open it up. Yeah, those are windows. That would be really cool to do like a mixed media page with windows, or you could even put it on a card. I thought you could put like something in the background, like another picture behind it, and then put the door or the window in front of it like that. I thought that'd be really cool. But yeah, this is really neat. I like this one. Isn't that pretty? I went to see an artist at the Kimball. I can't remember his name. I think it's really cool. You could probably put it to where you could open the doors. Kind of crease that there. And I noticed that a lot of his, oh, that's pretty. And a lot of his paintings, they were images of views out windows and doors. It was beautiful. You could see mountains and fields and you know, through windows and doors, and I just thought that was a really cool idea. And I thought of that when I saw these. Let's see. This is Flower Garden. These are just more little items. Those are cute. Doors. These are doors. I think I was getting more doors for this one. Yeah. And if you wanted to, you could cut, you know, like cut the doors out if you wanted to, or like the windows, you know. I know you could probably buy some already with them cut out, but yeah. They're just different doors. Oh, that's kind of pretty. See that? If you can, how you can see that or not. Isn't that pretty? It's like a butterfly in the middle. Yeah. So those just doors. Something fun. Fun to play with. In mixed media. I'll have to get more mixed media for these. And let's see. What was this? Flower. Put my glasses on. Flower House collage paper. I can get that out. It's kind of like a. It's paper. Oh, these are like vellum. I wasn't expecting that. Is it vellum? Maybe not. It feels like it. That one sure is vellum. You can see through that one. I don't know if you can see how you can see through it. See? Yeah, these are vellum. These are cute. I really like that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, look at this. So pretty. I think I should get 2 of each. Oh, I like that one. This looks like watercolor. Looks like somebody painted a watercolor page. Isn't that pretty? Oh, beautiful. Oops. Yeah, so they're just different. Again, just little garden doors, gates. Yeah, just different ones. So pretty. Wish I could paint that way. Yeah, I wish I was that talented. It's beautiful. One day, I'm taking some courses online, trying to learn how to paint like that. Oh, so, oh, look at that one. That one's pretty. That one's, yeah, you can see through that one. Those are cute. So pretty. I was curious about these. I ordered them because I wondered how big they were really going to be, and also what kind of material it was. So it seems to be like a vellum type material. They're beautiful. These are, oh, paper clips. I got some clips. I thought they were so cute. Yeah, I hate to tear that up. Let's see. Isn't that cute? It's a paper clip. Like when you're journaling, you can like clip it so the book stays open. I think this is the same. It's another one. This is a flower clip. I thought they were so cute. Same thing, when you're journaling, you can just put this on there and it holds your pages open. Isn't that pretty? Love sunflowers too. Just so pretty. Okay, I'm going to actually stop the video here because I have another box under here and I'm going to show you what's in there. Okay, so this is the second box. I think this is just, here's another card. This one seemed to have been opened, so I guess maybe they had to inspect it. I don't know. Maybe because it was a bigger box. But I think these are just my organizers. I saw where they had these little organizers to organize like your stickers and organize or your other items. So your tapes. So let's take a look. See what they gave me here. Oh, I got another free gift. That's so sweet. Some more pet tape. Washi. That's pretty. If you can see it or not. Those are pretty. Yeah, it looked like, let's Somebody must have opened this to like inspect it. Oh, that is pretty. Isn't that pretty? I don't know if you can see it or not. I don't know if you can see that. That's not that pretty. That is so pretty. And then this one, it's just washi tape, but that's pretty too. Some of this. That's pretty. And more of those paper samples. So cute. Those are pretty. I like that. Is there another one? I feel like there is. Oh yeah, here's another one. That's pretty. They give us samples of their paper. Paper. It's interesting texture. Oh, I wonder if these were in here, because I don't remember ordering this. So this must have been in there. So I got another one. Oh, that's cool. It's a heart. I'm gonna have to try them out to see what they look like. It's a wax seals. Isn't that cute? Okay, so these are organizers. That's what they are. This one, you've probably seen them advertised. This is the A6 multifunctional organizer. So this is supposed to be to organize your stickers. So apparently they have like these that have the zipper, and you can just put different stickers in there. And then these, you can get just different sizes. I guess it goes like that. See, they have their little flaps. Here, let me show it to you. So, apparently, I put this together because this is the notebook you put it in. And so they have these little flaps, so you can put your stickers in there, and then so that way you don't have stickers all over the place, and that way you can organize them. And that's pretty cool. Like these are the zipper pouches, I guess, for bigger items. That's pretty cool. Excited to use that. And this one is, let's see. This is the same organizer, but it's an A5. I ordered A5 and an A6 because I wasn't quite sure which one I really would be helpful to me. See the difference in size? This one will probably be good for traveling. Like if I take things with me to travel or just go somewhere, I can have a few sample of each of my stickers, and I can just journal or do art somewhere. This one is bigger, and so that way these I can just keep here. And then these are the inserts. Same thing. There's supposed to be two or three different kinds. So let's see. You can put it in from the top, and then it has the little flap to keep them in there. And then I want to say there's some that have different pockets, if I remember correctly. So see, if you have like only a few of certain kinds and you want to keep them separate, and here's like a medium size pocket. Cool. Okay, this I think is the one for the stickers. They had one for the stickers. Tape storage album double pocket. I was curious. I almost didn't order this one, but I was curious about it to see how it worked. Okay, so it has a band. Oh, see. So it has two areas. It has this portion for your tapes, and then it has this portion for your tapes. So you can put those washi tapes in there, long-wise. Oh, cool. I like that. Cool beans. And it has like a little notch to hold that in there. That's pretty cool. I think these are some samples. So I think when you order that, it comes with some. Yeah, that's what I thought. So that's what I wasn't really sure about in the description. So when you order the tape storage, it comes with samples of their tapes. So here are some of them that it came with. That's cool. These are nice. Kind of pretty. Okay, so sorry I got interrupted. We're going to do this again. I was videotaping and for some reason it was looking kind of odd. So that's cute. So these are just, it's kind of hard to see them, but so these are just samples of what they have. And I thought it's pretty cool that when you order that, the organizer for their washi tapes, that they send you all the different, not all of them, but a majority of their samples. Aren't they pretty? I think these are, yeah, that's pretty. Oh, that's very pretty. Oh, I just cannot wait to use these. These are pretty too. Huh. The lilies. Pretty. I wonder if you could, these are black and white. I wonder if you can paint those with a marker, like an alcohol marker or something. Oh, those are pretty. I keep saying that. But they are. Ooh. It's a pretty color. And they're shiny. Those are more for fall. It's pretty. It's amazing. Detail on these. These are frames. Oh, I like those. I like the frames. These are upside down. Those are pretty. Oh, some muted colors. Those are really pretty. Kind of colors of, those are my wedding colors actually, when I got married. Purples. Those are cute. Oh, rainbow. That's pretty. Don't really know what that is. I see a frog, I think. Let's see. Oh, those are pretty. Reminds me of the cherry blossoms. That should be, it's almost time for that. Oh, I think is that like April, May. Oh, I like this one. Oh my goodness, I really like that one. Oh, these are like tickets and things. It's just like a lace. Gothic, I guess. winter scenes. Oh, this is cute. I like this one. Looks like parchment papers. Ooh, castles. This looks similar maybe to one of the ones I got earlier. And I think I may have already shown these, but I don't remember. I had to refilm because I had issues with the lighting or something. So some of these may be repeats that I already showed you. Yeah, I think I already showed you these. Yeah, I think I already showed you these earlier. But these are really nice. It's really nice. I'm real excited. So that is my Soto, is what it's called, Soto Studio haul. So thank you again, my friends, for joining me today. And I'm going to probably set these up, organize them in my new little organizers here. And then I'm going to... maybe I'll show it to you a little bit later. I may just do some screenshots or something later and let you see what that looks like. Well, thank you for joining me today for my haul, and I will see you next time. Bye. Hi friends, just popping back in really quick to let you see what these look like. So this is the washi tape or tape holder organizer. So this is kind of, I've put a few in there just so you could see, you know, what it looks like when you put those in there. So I need to put some more in there, but yeah, it's just pretty cool. You can organize your tapes. And then this one, okay, so this one is the A5 one. And what I did was I put like the little package of windows and doors, and these are those collage papers and these big envelopes that you can open from the top. And then what I did, oh, these are just the little freebies they gave me. I just put those in there. And again, these are little freebies that they gave me. And then in the back, I put the stickers I got today. And what I did was I took off the little labels off the little packages, these packages. And then I just put them on here. And then, as you can see, I put some in here. And then if they didn't fit in the little envelopes, I put them in these bigger ones, just like I did with these right here and these right here. This came with these that have the two little ones and one big one, and well, one half size in the middle. But there's also some down here, and they just have the two sections that are the half size. So it's pretty cool. I really like this. I can keep these organized now. So I'm going to keep working on them and loading them with some more washi tape and get them all organized. So I just kind of wanted to give you a quick peek of what it looks like. Well, have a great evening. Bye.